Hey there, my lovers and friends. This is my weight loss journey. Over the last 10 years, I discovered and made my way to the ketogenic diet and became a black girl who ketoed. But suddenly, the last few years, I have gained weight, lost discipline, and I'm looking to gain it back. Follow my story to learn more. Hey there, good morning. Oh my god. I got up briefly, but then I went back to sleep. Somebody was supposed to be picking up something, from my house, but they didn't. But I still was sleepy, so I went back to sleep. But now I'm about to get up. This is actually day 3 of the full protocol, but this is my first day waking up. It is, and that's also January 1st, where I'm starting phase 2 of a diet. So when I do wake up, I try to spend 15-20 minutes trying to visualize what I want to get accomplished today. For me, I have all the food that I could possibly need. I want to get to the gym today too as well. That's important. I'm about to get on the scale, but let me use the bathroom first. I always like to weigh myself in the morning before I drink any water, and after my first, bathroom break, bio break, and then we can tell. I wonder how much weight I gained. Then I'm gonna go take my injection and start chugging my my green tea concoction, which I'm excited about. I'm also going to take some B12 too. B12. I love those. I love those vitamins. First of all, I don't like horse pills at all, but these are like little microlingual tablets. You just put it underneath your tongue, let it melt. It's like amazing. I'm trying to think, what else do I need to take daily? That's about it. But I'll show you along how this day goes. And my main thing is to make it to the gym or to yoga or something today. Here's my vial that I mixed. I'm starting off with 150 IUs, which is up to this 15 line. Here's the green tea mix that I'm telling you guys about that has, shake it up, some amazing vitamins, stuff like that I'm about to kill first before anything. This is the leftover cheesecake that I'm about to trash, and Pellegrino, stuff like that. So I'm about to get my injection in and figure out the
So I finished my first 33 ounces today, and this is my first day. I don't feel hungry at all, but then again, pretty much had a really late night of eating, because yesterday was New Year's. But like I said earlier, I found this bottle. I didn't find it, but there was like this much cranberry juice. I was like, this 3 liters, and I like the form factor. Like, you could just hold the jug like this, and it's 101 ounces. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to drink today. My goal is to drink 100 ounces, but I already technically had 33 with the green tea. But I'm going to play this game where I'm watching some YouTube videos today, and every YouTube commercial, like, take a gulp and see how far we can go. The more water I can drink, I think this first day I'm gonna see some amazing losses tomorrow. In terms of that, I'm just sitting here editing some video, really liking the phone format makes it really easy to get videos out, and I'm trying to think about like how often I want to drop videos on this. Maybe, and I don't want to make the videos too long. I'm trying to keep them around 10 minutes. The vlogs at least 10 minutes. So maybe twice a week, depending on the content, but definitely for sure on Sundays, something. But I'm feeling pretty good. Only thing is I feel tired, but I think that was because I drank alcohol last night. I'm not as energetic, and I have yet to go take my B12, so I'll probably work on that next. Hey there, just weighed. I just finished editing my initial weigh-in video. And today is like my phase 1. Only thing is I'm feeling like I'm tired, but right now it is almost 3 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything since last night or maybe early this morning. I think the last thing I ate or drank was like 2 a.m. I finished my 33 ounces. I'm feeling a little tired, honestly. My energy ain't good. In fact, right now, let me go take my B12 right now. But I started to feel a little hungry, but I want to get further down on my water bottle before I eat. Definitely, I find like the first couple of days, I ended up drinking way over 100 ounces because I'm just overcompensating. Don't want to feel the feeling of being hungry. Oh shoot, y'all can't see me. It's dark as a mug up in this jump. Anyway, here's my B12. This is great. It's B12 and B6, folic acid plus vitamin D. Really good things, particularly for, I feel like, women. Vitamin D. I had a vitamin D deficiency a couple years ago. B12 I think is for like the energy. B6 I don't know what that do. And then folic acid I think that's pretty good for you. So really like this. I'm going to take it to see if it can boost my mood. Well, not my mood, but my energy level. Then I'm trying to think about what my first meal is gonna be today. But I was trying to be aggressive and work out, but I really don't like working out, y'all, when I'm tired at all. So I'm gonna finish posting some videos and then take a nap. Today is an off day, so that's perfectly normal. This lady just busted her ass. It's a pretty nice day outside too. People are riding their bikes. It feels like early fall. But what I meant to say today, this being phase 1, I got on a scale today. I don't know if I should be concerned or what. I need to do some research. But I actually lost weight. I expected to gain quite a bit. That has me a little bit concerned. You know, I definitely know I loaded right. I post a lot of those details on my Instagram, like, so loaded right. So I weighed in today and I was lighter than what I was expecting. I really was expecting to see like 5-6 pounds heavier. But right now my hunger is under control, but it's only really been like 12 hours. So we'll see how I feel about 6 p.m.-ish. Another thing is I want to hopefully get a few more days on the injections. That time of the month is coming for me. And during the time of the month, you're not supposed to use any of the injections. So I want to get it in my system and hopefully, you know, be able to control the hunger and stuff like that. Right now, like, the hunger I'm feeling is not really like true hunger. It's just I don't really feel like my stomach's empty because obviously the last couple of days I've been eating like crazy fat. But a lot of times our first hunger pains is just thirst. And I know for a fact that the way that I just pounded like my first 50 ounces, that and plus I was drinking last night, that is a lot of dehydration. I'm already feeling it and starting to use and urinate more often. which I think are very positive. That's just part of kind of the detoxing that I'm looking to do. My first meal I'm gonna have today, a salad, romaine lettuce. I got this grass-fed beef sirloin I'm gonna hook up, just so we can see the facts on that. It is greater than 318 divided by 5.5. A little bit, you know, over 3, so that's cool. And so finished up for today. You know, I don't subscribe to any of these tea things or whatever. Well, I don't really believe that they make you. Let me correct myself. I have not had any special results, but I had this left over, and I want to get rid of it. So it's still a decent tea. And yes, I'm pouring all of it in tomorrow morning. I'll do the other one too. Put all of it in here. And I'm gonna close my night out with some tea. If you like this mug, check out my homegirl's website. Search IDT's code. She also makes special combination of teas that are way better than this over here, in my opinion. So I got this really cute. And here's my routine at night. I usually take my vitamins. No, I'm not pregnant, but I hate swallowing pills, and these are chewable. I'm also going to take some sienna as well. Sometimes people use smooth move tea and all of that. And then I'm going to take a shot of apple cider vinegar. And that's going to be my nighttime routine. Then I have some, well, I'm going to fill these with water if I get thirsty at night. And that's about it. Honestly, my first day gone extremely well. I think I wasn't too hungry. I got down more than 100 ounces of water, probably closer to 150, 4 liters or whatever, including the tea that I'm drinking now. My energy feels fine. At first I was sluggish. I just think I was getting a slow start to the day. And yeah, I'm about to lay it down. I'm gonna tune out from any electronics and read a book and try to get in bed by a decent time. So day 1 is going well. I kind of want to step out the house tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll just play that one by ear. I'm gonna give it some thoughts as I read tonight. So y'all stay tuned for my journey. This is gonna be good, y'all. This is gonna be good.
Thank you for following my weight loss journey. Please use the button below to subscribe to my channel. And also click this link to directly follow the playlist for all my Black Girls Keto content. Thank you.